Can you believe the size of this tree? Look at the size of this. Isn't that a big one? This is nothing we can do, but look at how big this tree is. I was telling the guys, our little stump grinders, gonna put you on that, you'd be there for the week trying to get that done. That is quite incredible how big that is. We're in the north part of our town here, the town of Sherbrooke here in the province of Quebec. Big one, all big trees here, all around this. We're in the old part of town there. Big stuff, got these old buildings, they're probably 80 years old, all brick. Big stuff. All right, you guys enjoy. These 3 big cedar hedges, got them all nice and done. Everything looks really good. Jobs like this, you need the boom vans. We just trimmed up a little bit here in the front, what was going towards the house. There was branches that were touching, so we cleaned that all up. All looks good. Cedar hedges don't grow very strong here, eh? Not too much light there. All right, that looks really good. Customer will be happy with that. See, that's a place we took care of over there. There was stuff growing everywhere. Looks really good. All right, next one. All right, we're just showing up to our next one, you guys. We're gonna have a dead tree here to cut down. Ariel se préparera à 4,40. Ouais. Yeah, we're gonna have a dead tree here. We're at the school grounds. School's closed, stopped for the summer. Plus we're gonna trim all the bottom here of these, the branches here, so the kids can't grab them. We're gonna cut one limb here on the back, gonna drop that right over here. Then we're gonna tie up the top and we're gonna pull it on the other side. Got a big space over there, so we can have a lot of room to work, so we're gonna do that. We started clearing it here at the bottom. It's looking a little bit better. Got a couple branches off the back of the tree, putting them through the truck. We're gonna go cut it, we're gonna put it in the field. Not in the field, but we got a lot of room over here, so we're gonna work over here. So we got to make sure this is a place for them to sit. Got to make sure that's okay. We'll go see what our McEnroe has to do over here. What's going on? Il l'a pas dans la vanne? All right, we'll go see what they got going on over here. Little neighborhood. Got their own private school. They got a couple schools here. School board schools. They're not private schools. They're regular schools. We're just gonna clean up the fence here because it was way onto their place where they play. So if they go around here, it looks like they can go all the way around and run around when they do their games and stuff. So we'll make sure that they can get in here, because you can see where it was sticking out. So we'll fix that all up for them. Brian's gonna trim higher. We'll fix that up. We'll come and chip that all after. So here we're just clearing it so that the kids can't grab at the bottom here. That one over there, she's kind of dead, but we'll just clean it out a bit, I guess. Look how good that's looking. It's almost looking like the Tree of Life at Disney World. Now all nice and clean underneath. See the picnic tables? No one can touch anything. The tree that was dead beside it is down. The guys are coming to do the stump. I got a crew coming to do that. Boys are down there clearing up that fence line. We trimmed this tree here because the kids could grab the branches, so that's all done. All right, we're gonna continue here. Look how beautiful this tree came out. This tree came out so nice. It's supposed to be maybe get a rainstorm this afternoon, thunderstorm, they said. All right, we'll keep the dump truck going around. Keep picking up. Thought I'd get my thumbnail here. That looks really good. Looks really good. All right, we'll go up on the other side and that'll be it for here.